Matthias, what's in your cup? What are you drinking?
Coffee.
Coffee? Is it yummy?
Coffee. Coffee.
Can you take some?
You have a sip.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee. There's a coffee. Cookie.
Are you drinking it?
Coffee.
In your cup there's coffee. Can you drink some? Show us how you drink coffee.
Coffee.
How do you drink coffee?
Coffee. Coffee.
Yeah, do we drink it like this?
Coffee.
Cup of coffee, that's right. Can you take a sip of your coffee?
Coffee.
Yeah, you drink some coffee. Or are you all done? Are you all done your coffee? Let's see, should we check? Oh, Matthias, there's still some coffee left.
Mommy, coffee?
Yeah, I have coffee too.
Coffee.
Are you going to try some? Or did you have enough? Oh, now you're going to play with it.